For making this knot we need a carabiner or an object like a ring, for making this knot we need a carabiner on an object like a ring and a rope. We put a bight in the middle of the rope and we turn the rope on itself like this. We are making two different loops, as you can see. Then what we are going to do, we take the left loop and we turn it one time on itself like this, and then we hold this part. We take the right loop and we turn it one time. We hold the right loop, we take the left loop and we turn it another time. Then we take the right one and we turn it another time. Then we finish by doing another loop on the left one and another loop on the right one. Good. Then we take our loops like this and we put inside the carabiner. And the knot is done. As you can see, we have some ropes around the rope, and this knot is used for holding heavy loads, so it's easy to untie under tension.